Have you ever felt like no matter how smart you are, something's still missing? Like you have got the IQ, but life's victories, true fulfillment, keep slipping through your fingers? You're not alone. For decades, we've worshipped raw intellect, only to realize the real game changer isn't just what's in your head, but what's in your heart. And today, we're cracking that code. Welcome to Notebook Nuggets. We need to talk about emotional intelligence. This is the quiet strength that fuels great leaders. It builds unshakable relationships. It transforms ordinary achievement into something deeper. Because real success isn't just about reaching goals. It's about feeling truly engaged and alive while you do it. Daniel Goleman changed everything we thought we knew. Before his work, we put IQ on a pedestal. We believed raw brain power was the ultimate key. But Goleman proved what many of us felt all along, that understanding yourself, connecting with others, managing your reactions. These are the real difference makers in life. This is why emotional intelligence matters so much. It's not some soft skill. It's the foundation of lasting achievement. The people who thrive in the real world, the ones who lead effectively, who build meaningful connections, who bounce back from setbacks. They all share this common thread. They have mastered the art of emotional intelligence. So what lies at the heart of Goleman's model of emotional intelligence? 5 foundational elements work together like gears in a well-oiled machine. First, there is self-awareness. This is the ability to recognize your emotions as they happen, not hours later when you overthink them. It is about noticing the subtle shift in your chest when frustration starts to rise, or the warmth in your face when pride swells. That moment of awareness is where choice begins. Next comes managing emotions. This does not mean locking feelings away or pretending they do not exist. It means acknowledging the storm while learning to sail through it. Picture a leader who feels the heat of anger, but chooses to respond with measured words. That is emotional control in action. Then we have self-motivation. This is the inner fire that keeps you moving toward goals even when obstacles loom large. It is the difference between those who quit after rejection and those who see it as a temporary setback. That relentless drive often separates dreamers from achievers. Empathy follows as the 4th pillar. This goes beyond just understanding others. It is about truly feeling with them. When a friend speaks with excitement or a coworker hesitates with doubt, empathy lets you tune into those unspoken frequencies. It builds bridges where words alone fail. Finally, all these skills converge in handling relationships. Think of this as the practical application of the other 4 elements. Self-awareness keeps you grounded. Managing emotions prevents conflicts. Self-motivation inspires those around you, and empathy creates trust. Together, they form the art of connection. The best part about emotional intelligence is that it is not set in stone. You can grow it like a muscle. Let's talk about anger. Goleman shatters the popular belief that venting helps. Screaming into a pillow does not release rage, it actually feeds it. So what actually works? Pause and take deep breaths. Step away for a walk. Shift your perspective. Ask yourself if there might be another way to see the situation. Now let's talk about sadness. When you dwell on negative thoughts, it pulls you deeper like sinking in quicksand. The way out is not to struggle, but to redirect your focus. Watch something that makes you laugh. Get your body moving. Celebrate small accomplishments. These purposeful shifts can lift you up. When giving feedback, remember the power of an artful approach. Be clear about what needs improvement. Have the conversation in person whenever possible. Most importantly, let empathy guide your words. Why does this matter so much? Because emotions spread without words. The energy you bring literally changes the atmosphere around you. So, what's your next move? Notice one emotion today. Pause. Reframe it. That's EQ in action. If this resonated, hit like. It helps others find these nuggets. Drop a comment. What's your EQ aha moment? And don't forget to subscribe. More mind shifts coming your way.